Are you ready to transform your health and boost your energy naturally? Introducing Moringa Powder Capsules, your all-in-one superfood supplement. Packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, Moringa is known as the miracle tree for a reason. Moringa supports a strong immune system, aids in digestion, and promotes healthy, glowing skin and hair. Perfect for athletes, professionals, parents, and anyone looking to enhance their well-being. Our easy-to-swallow capsules make it convenient to get your daily dose of nature's goodness wherever you are. Take your first Moringa bottle today and start your journey to better health. This is what will happen to your body if you take Moringa powder consistently for 2 weeks. After 24 hours, your energy levels will go up as you supply your body with 92 essential minerals out of 102 it requires. After 1 week, your skin is likely to improve because of Moringa's incredible body cleansing properties. After 10 days, you will experience a noticeable reduction in anxiety levels as the stress hormone cortisol decreases. Moringa has powerful anti-diabetic, anti-carcinogenic, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial properties. It comes in natural leaf powder capsules, and the recommended daily dose is 1 to 2 capsules a day. So why wait? You can now get your first Moringa bottle for 50% off today only. Take Moringa today to keep your doctor away. This plant contains all the essential nutrients your body needs to heal itself. It possesses powerful anti-inflammatory, anti-carcinogenic, anti-diabetic, and antibacterial properties. Consuming it for 1 month results in a massive boost of energy, reduced anxiety and depression, and a complete detoxification of the body. Many different cultures have used this plant as medicine, and it's believed it can cure over 300 diseases. The plant is called Moringa, and it is the most nutrient-rich plant on Earth. Don't waste your time. If you or your loved ones are struggling with chronic health problems, click the link below, get your first Moringa bottle today, and thank me later.